Good morning, dear students. This is Paramjit. We are doing chapter number 2 in accountancy, class 12. And today we will discuss next topic, capital. We have some provisions to interest on capital. Okay, students? Before starting this topic, I will clear one topic more. Interest not allowed drawings against capital. This is the also related to interest on drawings not allowed partner get interest on actual capital invested by him. Okay. For example, if partner A has capital of rupees 10 lakhs, A partner has invested capital rupees 10 lakh in his business on April 1st, 2018. Okay. And अगेंस्ट ही विड्रॉज रुपीज 2 लाख. अब इसमें से ही वो 2 लाख विड्रॉ कर रहा है हिज कैपिटल, अपने कैपिटल से ही वो विड्रॉ कर रहा है, राइट. नाउ द कैपिटल इज 8 लाख. ये कब कर रहा है? ऑन 1 जुलाई 2018. of interest rate is given like 10% per annum at the rate 10% per annum. Now, how we can calculate interest? Interest for first 3 months. We will calculate 10% on 10 lakh, 10 by 100 for 3 months, 3 by 12. First of all, 10 lakh के आप 3 months के लिए calculate करेंगे. After that, because he withdrew rupees 2 lakh from his capital, capital से उसने निकाला है, so that's why capital will be decreased by 2 lakh. Now, in second time, you will calculate interest on 8 lakh, 10% for 9 months. Okay, add these two things. It will be rupees 25,000 and 60,000. 5, 6 plus 2. Total is 85,000. Interest on capital. So amount will be of interest on capital will be rupees 85. Clear? Next topic is interest on capital. So we have some provisions relating to interest on capital. First case first. When the partnership agreement is silent about the interest on capital. Partnership agreement or partnership deed is silent about interest on capital. If no any provision in your partnership deed about the interest on capital, then we will also not provide interest on capital in accounts. Okay, so no interest then firm will not give to any partner, okay, interest. No interest will be allowed on capital. Okay, second case. Case second, when the partnership agreement provides for interest on capital but is silent in treating interest as charge or appropriation, right? When the partnership agreement or deed provides for interest on capital but is silent about treatment or treating interest as a charge, इंटरेस्ट को एज ए चार्ज की तरह ट्रीट करना है, और appropriations. What is the difference between as a charge or what is as a charge and as appropriations? Students, अगर if it is a charge, चाहे फिर profit हो या loss हो, तो interest on capital जो है वो must है देना उनको, ठीक है? But if it is a appropriation, so it will be given to partners only in the case of profits. So in the case of losses, आप इसको नहीं दो, ठीक है? So students, यहाँ as a charge or appropriation, अगर if it is the partnership deed is or partnership agreement is silent about the treatment of this thing, then solution will be, we have 3 cases. तब उस केस में 3 cases हो सकते हैं आपके पास. In case of loss, अगर आपके पास सबसे पहला केस आ रहा है in case of loss के केस में we will not provide any interest to any partner. No interest provided, no interest will be allowed. Okay. On any partner. Okay. Second case, when the profits before interest is equal to or more than the amount of interest. If amount of interest is rupees 10,000 and your profits are also 10,000, first thing. And second thing, if interest on capital amount is 10,000 and your profit is more than 10,000, right? These two things. So when the profit before interest is equal to or more than the amount of interest, तो अगर वो equal है उसके या फिर उससे ज़्यादा है, when interest is equal or more than the amount of profit, then full. अब क्योंकि we have sufficient profit, so that's why we can give full interest to the partners. So in this case, full interest will be allowed. Okay. In third case, C part, when the profits before interest is less than the interest itself. Suppose if the amount of interest is 10,000, but the profits are 7,000. This is the less amount. Okay, this is the case when interest is more than the profit, or you can say if profit is less than the interest, means यहाँ profit less है और interest amount is more, right? Then in this case, अब जितना आपके पास profit है उससे ज़्यादा आप नहीं दे सकते, right? So interest will be restricted to the amount of profit. अब यहाँ interest उतना ही आप pay करोगे जितना आपके पास profit है. So profit will be distributed in the ratio of interest on capital of each partner. And this topic, this point we have already done practically. हम इसको कर चुके हैं, है ना? So interest will be restricted है यहाँ पर to the amount of profit. So profit will be distributed in the ratio. अब suppose किसी एक person को आपने 15,000 देना है और second को आपने suppose 30,000 देना है. तो amount जो आपके पास given है that is only 7,000. So you will find, will calculate first of all ratio 15,000 and 30,000. Ratio is 1:2. Okay, you will divide 7,000 in 1/3 and 2/3. अब 7,000 को 1/2, 2/3 में divide करके इनको amount दोगे as interest on capital. So we will distribute in the ratio of interest on capital. Note down these points of each partner. Next, case number 3. Students, case number 3 means when the partnership agreement provides for treating interest as a charge. When the partnership agreement provides interest on capital as a charge. As a charge is a compulsory to pay by the firm to the partners. यहाँ पर ये कंपल्सरी हो जाता है कि अब चाहे प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस हो, केस कोई भी हो, मींस अब आपको उनको पे करना ही करना है. So now the third case solution, full interest will be there is profit or loss, right? Full interest will be allowed provided whether it is profit or loss. Charge is clear है, interest to be allowed whether there is profit or loss. यहाँ पर आपको पूरा interest उनको पे करना. और appropriations means interest is allowed by only out of profits. Appropriations तो हमेशा हम बनाते हैं जब that the interest on capital cannot exceed the amount of profit. Okay. Now we will start next illustration. 3 illustration for the books, page number 2.53, page number 2.53 and illustration number 33. Open your notebooks also. A and B are partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 with the capital of rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh. These are the capitals of A and B and ratio also given in your question. So show the distribution of profits in each of the following alternative cases. We have some cases. First one, case 1, if the partnership deed is silent as the interest on capital profits for the year are 50,000. Students, if the partnership deed is silent about the interest on capital, so then profits कैसे distribute करने हैं? After first case है, no interest on capital will be provided. So in this case, we will not provided any interest to any partner. So simply, you will make profit and loss appropriation account. Make profit and loss appropriation account in your notebook first. Right, first of all, profit and loss, profit in credit by profit and loss account, rupees 50,000 in credit side. And we will not provide any interest to any partner, so that's why total profit will be distributed. किसमें करोगे आप? Complete profit will distribute in partners in their ratio. Simply. Because we are not provided any interest, तो सारा का सारा जो profit है वो partners में ही distribute कर दो आप ratios, right? In first case. Case number 2, if the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and losses for the year are 50,000. In this case, we have losses. So loss in case of losses, first of all, we will not make profit and loss appropriation account. So अगर loss given है तो we will make only profit and loss account, okay? Or in case of loss and there is no any charge, means कोई यहाँ पर charge as a charge interest in capital को mention नहीं किया गया. Agreement is silent about this thing. So if the case of loss, so we will not provide interest on capital to any partner, right, students? अगर loss का case है और कोई भी यहाँ पर, this is the second case, when the partnership did provides for interest on capital but is silent about the in treating interest as a charge or as a appropriation. So for if the in case of loss, no interest will be provided or allowed to any partner. तो यहाँ भी हम कोई interest नहीं pay करेंगे. So profit will be distributed in all partners in their ratio, right? Third case. Case 3, if the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and profits for the year are 50,000. So students, profits again 50,000 is given, but partnership deed, this is a misprint I think. Wait, no. Okay. If the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 8% and profits, now in this question, profits, in this case, profits are given. In second case, it was the losses, and in third case, this is the profit. If profit is given, then we can treat as appropriation. Okay, so first of all, we will make the appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account, and make profit and loss appropriation account in case 3. First of all, show the profits credit side 50,000. Secondly, because this is the appropriation, so that's why allowed full interest will be allowed. Okay, when interest is equal or more than the profit, then we will allow full interest. So you can calculate and you can allow. Calculate 8% on 2 lakh and 8% on 1 lakh. It will be 16,000 and 8,000. 16,000 of A and 8,000 of B. Okay. कैसे शो करोगे पता है ना, डेबिट साइड टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. We have already made this all accounts profit and loss application. ये आपको आते हैं, तो वही same thing is here. To interest on capital, A 16,000, B 8,000. Now profits are 50,000. Deduct 24,000 from the 50,000 and distribute in their ratio. Right. Next, fourth case. Case number 4. If the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum and the profits for the year are 15,000. So student, in case 4th case, we have only 15,000 profits. Means this is the less than amount. When interest is more than the profit, right? अब आपका प्रॉफिट का जो इंटरेस्ट आपने कैलकुलेट किया, दैट इज द 16,000 प्लस 8,000 is 24,000. Amount is 24,000, but profits are 15,000 less than the interest on capital. So now we will distribute only 15,000 to these two partners in their interest on capital ratio. Okay, 15,000 को distribute करना है उनकी interest on capital ratio. Ratio will be 16,000 ratio 8,000 2:1. Okay, it means 2/3 part of 15,000 we allowed to A and 1/3 of the 15,000 part will be allowed to B. Okay, 2/3 and 1/3 of 15,000 allow कर दो इनको. इंटरेस्ट 15,000 की हमारे पास प्रॉफिट है, इससे ज्यादा आप नहीं दे सकते, तो 15,000 आपकी रेशियो में दे दो. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट case number 5. If the partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum, even if it involves the firm in loss and profits for the year are 15,000. Students, now we are restricted. Okay, restrictions are there. So now we will allow complete interest on capital to the partners. Okay, profit and loss. I am using shortcuts, but आपने भी shortcuts use करना. Okay, profit and loss appropriations account. by profit and loss account 15,000. Okay, and 2 interest on capital A and B. Complete interest on capital 16,000 and 8,000. Give me 24,000. Okay, but in this case, this is as a charge, so that's why we will not make the appropriation account. हम यहाँ कौन सा अकाउंट बनाएंगे, क्योंकि अब ये आपका क्या जाएगा, लॉसेस. लॉसेस में जब भी आएगा तो लॉस आपका एप्रोप्रिएशन में तो आता नहीं है, so that's why we will make only profit and loss account, not appropriation. यहीं से आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि यहाँ लॉसेस आ रहे हैं, so that's why we will make only profit and loss account. And by loss, transfer to partners capital. 24,000 minus 15,000, 9,000. Total 20,000. Right? So interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incurs loss. The loss भी हो रहा है ना अभी आपका firm को, it means interest on capital is a charge against profits. So as such, it would be debited to profit and loss and not to profit and loss application. हम यहाँ पर application से नहीं इसको debit करेंगे, किससे करेंगे, profit and loss. Is it clear? Okay. Next illustration number 34, you can do by yourself because this is the same thing. 35, 36, 37, 38. 39 questions. Illustration number 39. Students, you can read question, illustration 37, 36, 35. If you have any query, I will take in last 10 minutes. Just read all statements. A contributes rupees 50,000 for the whole year. $40,000 at first and increased it to 46,000 at the end of 4 months, but withdraw rupees 16,000 at the end of 9 months. Okay, means he changed his capital 2 times in a year. C invest rupees 80,000 at first, but withdraw rupees 20,000 at the end of 5 months. Okay. So we have 3 partners. First of all, A. अब यहाँ हमें firm on a profit of rupees 23,750 during the year. We have limited profit 23,750. You are required to show the division of profits on the basis of effective capital employed by each partners during the year. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ मैंने इफेक्टिव तरीके से उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके देना है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, बट जो चेंजेस हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली. अभी तक मैंने आपको बोला कि आप यू कैन calculate their interest on capital ratio, but in this case because capital changes 1 or 2 times or more than 2 or 3 times, so that's why यहाँ पर जो इंटरेस्ट जो रेशियो है उसको भी आपको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कुछ यहाँ पर मेथड यूज करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, A has 50,000, A invest 50,000 for whole month, for whole 12 months. So that's why we can use product method for calculate of interest on capital ratio. हम उस रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यहाँ पर एक प्रोडक्ट मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं और इनके कैपिटल्स को यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो 50,000 into 12 products will be 6 lakh. Second partner is B. Students, B introduce 40,000 at first. And increase it to 46,000 at the end of 4 months. 4 months. Yeah, dates not given in your question, but you can count. अगर 4 months में 46,000 हो जाएगा, means आपको 4th month at the end of the 4th month, investment was only 40,000. यानी कि जो investment थी first 4 months आपकी 40,000 थी. So it means product will be 40,000 into 4 is 1,60,000. After then it will 46,000. अब ये देखते हैं कितने मंथ तक रही है. But withdrawal will be 16,000 at the end of 9 months. 9 months 4 के बाद means next 5 month तक 46 रहेगी. 9 month के end तक 46 रहेगी क्योंकि इसके बाद 16,000 विड्रॉ किया है. विड्रॉ करेंगे तो अब ये रह जाएगा आपके पास 30,000. और लास्ट में अब मंथ्स कितने यू कैन काउंट 12 minus 9 3. तो 3 months तक आपकी 30,000 रहेगी. And 46 into 5 and 30 into 3. You can calculate 2,30,000 and 1,90,000. Total product of B is 9 plus 9, 18, 5. This is a 5,80,000. Okay. Now calculation of C. Let's wait. 4,80,000. Next case C. C invests rupees 80,000 at first, but withdraw rupees 20,000 at the end of 5 months. Okay, 5 months तक उसकी जो investment थी वो 80,000 है. 80,000 multiplied by 5. 12 minus 5, 7. कितना withdraw किया है उसने? How much? 60,000 रह जाएगा आपका लास्ट में. 20,000 withdraw किया, okay, and 60,000 multiplied by 7. 8, 5, 8,20,000. These are the products of all partners. First 6 lakh, second 4,80,000, and third is 8,20,000. Now we can calculate ratio in which we will distribute the profit. So ratio, profit sharing ratio will be profit sharing ratio is equal to 6 lakh
Paramjit ma'am, last 5 minutes are left.
This is the profit sharing ratio. Now we will make profit and loss appropriation account. Make profit and loss appropriation account. For the year ending 31st जो भी डेट गिवन है मार्च, first of all profit is given 23,750. Firm earned a profit 23,750 by profit and loss account. And interest on capital is not given in your question. कोई रेट गिवन ही नहीं है. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज नॉट गिवन. तो इफेक्टिव वे से हमें यहाँ पर इसको करना है. सो वी कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस प्रॉफिट इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ओके. टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन capital. Partner's name is ABC. A, B, C. 23,750 multiplied by 23,750 multiplied by 41 divided by 95. Okay. Now you can calculate. First partner's amount will be 7,500. Second partner's amount will be 6,000. And third partner's amount will be 10,250. Okay, total is same, 23,750, 23,750, right? So I'm reading question illustration number 38 also. Shikha and Fatima were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Illustration number 38. So their fixed capital on 1st April 2017 was Shikha 3 lakh, Fatima 4 lakh. They agreed to allow interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum and to charge on drawings at the rate 15% per annum. So the profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2018 before all above adjustments were 63,000. The drawings made by Shikha were 10,000 and by Fatima 20,000 during the year. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incurs a loss. Means this is as a charge. अगर loss भी है तब भी आपको इस पे लगाना है. So first of all we will make profit and loss account. क्योंकि जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है वो देना ही देना है, चाहे लॉस है या प्रॉफिट है, तो एज ए चार्ज हो गया ना. सो हाउ मच प्रॉफिट इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन? द प्रॉफिट फॉर द फर्म इज बिफोर ऑल द एडजस्टमेंट्स दिस वाज 63,000. ओके, 63,000. मेक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुट द प्रॉफिट्स इन क्रेडिट साइड. By profits 63,000. Now because interest on capital, this is the charge as a charge in this question, so we will debit it interest on capital in this account. To interest on capital debit side में लिखेंगे Shikha's because these are the fixed capital, so that's why उनके current account open होंगे ना, तो interest will be shipped in current account. So the two interest on capital, Shikha's current account, Fatima's current account. Calculate कर लो इसको. Interest on capital 12% per annum accordingly on Shikha's capital and Fatima's capital. 3 lakh and 4 lakh. It will be 36,000 and 48,000. Okay. After deducting appropriations, जो अमाउंट आएगा, क्योंकि वो प्रॉफिट साइड में आ रहा है ना आपका, सॉरी ये क्रेडिट साइड में आ रहा है, तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन लॉस है ये, हालांकि फिर भी इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट ऑन, सो वी विल चार्ज फ्रॉम द पार्टनर्स. अभी क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन में इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स भी गिवन है आपके पास, और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स के लिए आपको एप्रोप्रिएशन बनाना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द इनकम फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द फर्म, बट दिस इज द एक्सपेंस फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द, तो पार्टनर्स के लिए ये एक्सपेंस है, बट फर्म के लिए दिस इज द इनकम. तो जब इनकम आ रही है तो एप्रोप्रिएशंस बनाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग लॉस इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन. अदरवाइज लॉस के केस में हम एप्रोप्रिएशंस नहीं बनाते, तो मैंने बात बोली अभी आप. Okay, so to profit and loss account by 21,000 in appropriation account में आप इसको ट्रांसफर करो, and चार्ज करेंगे इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग फ्रॉम द पार्टनर्स, शिखा's current account and